In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up URL mappings in Squarespace. If you've ever changed a page slug or reorganized your site, you know how easy it is for old links to break. URL mappings, also called redirects, make sure anyone who visits an old address is automatically sent to the new one, and search engines get the right signals too. You'll set this up right inside your site's settings. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard, go to Settings, select Advanced, and click URL Mappings. That opens a text box where you'll enter your rules. Think of this box as a simple list. Each rule goes on its own line, and Squarespace reads them from top to bottom. The format is straightforward. You'll write the old path, then an arrow, then the new destination, followed by a status code. It looks like this. Old path. New path 301. The piece on the left is the old slug you want to redirect from. The arrow tells Squarespace to map it somewhere else. The part on the right is the destination you want people to land on, and the number at the end is the redirect type. Most of the time you'll use 301, which is permanent, and tells search engines to update their records. If the change is only temporary, maybe you're running a campaign or testing a new page, you can use 302 instead. Let's look at a few common examples. If you renamed a page from About Us to About, enter About Us. About 301. Now anyone using the old link will end up on the updated page. If the old content is gone and you'd rather send people to your homepage, you can map it directly there with Old Services was 301. The single slash represents your site's home. And if you need to send visitors to a completely different website, you can do that too. For an external redirect, write the full destination, including the protocol, like /legacy page, https www.example.com/new page 301. A few quick tips as you type these in. Always start internal paths with a /, and don't include your domain for internal redirects. Squarespace already knows it. Keep each mapping on a single line with spaces around the arrow, just like the examples. After adding your rules, give them a quick test by visiting the old URLs in a new tab or a private window. Remember that 301s can be cached by browsers and search engines, so changes may not appear instantly. That's it. With a few clean mappings, you'll preserve link equity, protect your visitors from 404s, and keep your site structure flexible as it grows.